Hello everyone, if you are looking for a smartphone that can keep up with your fast-paced lifestyle, then the Cubot P80 is the perfect choice for you. Before I present to you the unboxing of Cubot new flagship model P80, I must mention that if you want to get your hands on the Cubot P80, head over to Aliexpress and be one of the first to pre-order. The official sales links are below this video, be sure to click on it, and don't forget to join Cubot's giveaway event where 10 lucky winners will receive the latest P80 smartphone for free. There are 8 ways to enter. More entries you make, the more chances you have to win it. Now further in this video, let's take a look at the official Cubot P80 unboxing.